mama. Yeah. Hello and welcome back. Today's Jasmine the Sweet Life is a special episode because you're gonna cook with me, and not only are you gonna cook with me, it's gonna be a ghetto wick meal. Why is it a ghetto wick meal? Because a lot of these items I bought on Wick. It is what it is. I got 2 babies and my career is just now beginning, so I need all the help I can get. I'm gonna give it 100. What we're gonna make today is a little bit of stir fry, a little bit of white rice on the side. It's gonna be good. Come along. Let me show you how I do it.
Boy, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really keep me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these guys rope. Before you drift in me deeper. Baby, now hold me close, close. Let's take this overboard now. Cause you give me